Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to free your C drive or any drive on your computer which is full and you don't know what files are taking up the space. For this we will use Wiztree. It's a free software, link will be in the description. So to do that, just go in and select the drive you want to scan and just hit scan. When you hit scan, it will scan your computer to find which all files are taking how much space. Like you can see I have 94 GB and like I only have 2 GB space free. So here's the thing, like you can sort it out by percentage used, and after that like you can go in each folder and see which software is using what. In my case, you can see this net limiter. It's a network software. It's taking 5 GB of space. I just checked like if net limiter is activate. It's not activated, so I will go and delete it. Right click on this folder you don't want, and you can delete it by right clicking and simply delete, and it will be deleted from your system. Same way you can go through all the software like this one, this software which is right here installed and I don't use it anymore, but it's taking my 4 GB of space. I right click and deleted it. So this way like you can simply you don't have to worry to find each software manually. You can just go in this software and it will tell you which software is using how much space on your system. Like same way you can go down and you can go down in temporary files. This is Windows temporary files. You can go there and see which file is using your most of the space. So you don't have to delete all the files. You can just simply delete the simple one file. In this, like there is the top file that's using my 2.9 GB space. So out of 3 GB it's using 2.9 GB space. So I will simply delete this by right clicking on it and simply press delete. So this will free up my 3 GB of space. I'll go through full process where how I managed to free up most of my space. So let's see what all. Scan it again and it will refresh and show you like from 2 GB I'm already up to 7.6 GB. See, it's showing me 2 GB to 7.6 GB. Then now I have to find another files. Like in this user folder there is you can go down on the user folder and app data. This app data folder use temporary space on your system, like the old software you have installed or the software you don't using anymore, there's still some time left in app data software. Like this software I don't use it anymore, but it's still there in my app data and it's all hidden files. You cannot find it just simply going in app data. You cannot find these softwares. Oh sorry, you cannot find this folder in your system. So to make sure what exactly is this, I am just Google searching on it on the browser to make sure what exactly is it. So this is some sort of a Java browser, so I don't use it. I don't use this Java browser. I've just downloaded once, but like it's still on my system in hidden files, so it's taking all my space. So I'll simply go there and right click. If you're not sure like what exactly is that folder about, just Google search and it will let you know what exactly is that folder about. But in most of the cases, app data store temporary files or like saved files for your games and all that stuff. So before deleting those files, you just need to make sure you are not using it anymore. Like if you are playing some sort of a game, so it will store temporary files for the games as well there. Okay, now recycle bin, like all the stuff we delete goes into the recycle bin. So either you can directly go to the recycle bin, right click and empty the recycle bin. So it will clean up the space from C drive, which is the drive where your Windows is installed. See, you can see right now it's 18 GB. Like I have managed to pull up from 2 GB to 18 GB. So it's quite good amount of space. So what is the benefit of using this software? Like you have a control to delete whatever you want to delete. Like you can manually go and check on Google if this folder is required or not. Like if you delete like with a C command or something like that, you might delete some important file. But with this software, it's free of cost software, you have complete control over what you are deleting. This installer folder is the folder which whichever program you try to install, it keeps temporary files for that, so you don't require once you have installed the program, so you can delete this in under the Windows folder. So this will give you some space as well. So these are the main folders which I usually go and delete. Once this folder is deleted, all the files which are deleted from this folder or anywhere you delete goes into the recycle bin. So keep in mind, to completely delete all the files you don't need, you have to go back and empty your recycle bin. This will finally get your space back. And there's some files which are not deletable, just skip them. This is how you'll get your space back. Now you can see my final space is 18.5 GB. I hope this helps you out, guys. If it does, please do like and subscribe my channel. It helps me a lot. Thank you so much.